Oh,
Hey guys, what's up? We're here in Lower St. Andrew. We're delivering a package. So guess what? The customer is not able to pick up the package because they had a surgery, but they asked us to leave it with the security guard. Not a problem with us. We're flexible that way. Guys, buy your items, ship them with us. We get them delivered to you at your doorstep. And in some cases, if you can't come to the doorstep, leave it with the security guard. So come in, you know, watch you are going to drop off the package here. Is there anyone in super? Mr. Ricky. So, Mr. Ricky is picking up on behalf of the customer. Yeah? So, Mr. Ricky, here you go. Okay, so here, double check. Guys, there's a link somewhere here. Click on the link, join us now. Hey, we have a bad feature named combined shipping, where we allow you to combine multiple small items and charge you one little rate. Listen, no other company now do that to the guys. You need to join us now. Click on the link somewhere here. Come on, you're part of the family, alright? Catch you later.